Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about substitution by integration. When we say substitution, this is a matter of replacing the value which is x equals a sine theta. The second is let x will be equal to a cosine theta, let x will be a tangent theta, or let x will be a secant theta. Okay? So, in here, the given is integral of dx over x squared times square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? So, our hint in here is 1 minus x squared. So, try x equals, this is a. Our a in here is 1. Then, this will be x. So, this will be a sine, because square root, right? Sine theta. Okay? So, x will be equal to 1. 1 times sine theta. So, this will be x is equals to sine theta. Differentiating both sides, that will be dx is equals to cosine theta d theta. Okay? So, don't worry because I want to discuss in a specific way. So, when we have square root of a minus x squared, let x equals a times sine theta, whereas our a is 1 times sine theta. So, x equals multiply sine theta and 1, that will be sine theta. So, differentiating both sides, dx is equals to cosine theta d theta. So, meaning, I will plug in here. Okay. So, dx. So, this will be cosine theta d theta. Okay? Then, x squared. So, x, the value of x is sine theta. So, this will be sine theta squared. Because x squared, right? Then, times square root of 1 minus value of x is sine theta squared. Okay? Okay. So, this will be integral of cosine theta. So, this will be cosine theta d theta. Then, sine theta squared, that will be sine squared theta. Then, square root times square root of 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay? So, as what I said, in here, the Pythagorean identities is very useful because we have cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? So, if I will place the sine squared theta, so this will be cosine squared theta will be equal to 1 transpose to the right, that would be minus sine squared theta. Okay? So, we have now the hand for inside the radical. So, this 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta. So, meaning, this will be integral of cosine theta d theta. Then, this will be over sine squared theta. Then, this will be 1 minus sine squared theta is equals to cosine squared theta. Okay? So, integral of cosine theta d theta over sine squared theta. Then, square root of cosine squared. So, meaning, this will be cosine theta. So, cross out cosine theta. So, I have now integral of d theta over sine squared theta. So take note, in our trigonometry, if we have 1 over sine theta is equals to cosecant theta. In this case, we have 1 over sine squared theta. So meaning this will be equal to cosecant squared theta. So this will be integral of cosecant squared theta d theta. So don't worry, because we have this kind of standard formula for integration. So this will be integral of cosecant squared theta d theta. This will be negative cotangent theta plus c. Okay? Then let's go back to our assumption from here. Okay? So I will make a model. So this will be right triangle. This is right triangle, this is theta. So we have x is equals to sine theta. So meaning there is 1 in here. So sine theta, what is the ratio of sine theta? Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So this will be x, and then this will be 1. Okay? So hypotenuse is 1. So what is now the adjacent? So this will be square root of 1, because 1 squared is 1. Then minus x squared. So this will be square root of 1 minus x squared. Now what is the value of cotangent? So let us take first tangent. So tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So this will be x over square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay. So cotangent will be, cotangent theta will be 1 over tangent theta. Okay, so I will do this one in here. Cotangent theta is equals to 1 over tangent. So this will be 1 over tangent theta. Then 1 over tangent. Tangent theta is x over square root of 1 minus x squared. So it should be in the middle. Okay? So this will be 1 times upside down of the denominator. So this will be square root of 1 minus x squared. Then this will be over x. Okay? So cotangent theta will be equal to square root of 1 minus x squared over x. Okay? So plug in here. Okay? So this will be equal to negative square root of 1 minus x squared. Then this will be over x. Then this will be plus c. So equality symbol must be in the middle of the Venn column. Okay? So the final answer will be negative square root of 1 minus x squared over x plus c. So this will be the final answer of integral of dx over x squared times square root of 1 minus x squared is equal to negative square root of 1 minus x squared over x plus c. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this topic, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mats TV. Thanks for watching.